All right, so here's a quick way that you can use ChatGPT on your WhatsApp without having to do anything much. Let me show you. So first off, I'm going to go to the ChatGPT itself. When I get to ChatGPT, I'm going to start a new chat over here. I'm going to put it on temporary mode because I don't need it to be saved on my phone. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT, how can I, all right, can I use ChatGPT on my WhatsApp or on WhatsApp? All right, ChatGPT itself will provide us with the answer, and that is it. So we've been given some number to actually save and use. So all you have to do is to just copy this number over here, save it in your contacts, and you are good to go. So this is what I'm going to do. This is one thing that you need to know as well. So I'm going to go to my chat and go to my message. Then I'm going to paste the number over here, send it to myself. After that, I'll just tap on it. Then WhatsApp is going to locate the number for me. So once I tap on continue chatting, WhatsApp will bring me directly to the ChatGPT, inbox over here. Because I've already done this once already, that's why I'm here. So when you come, you can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT whatever that you want ChatGPT to do for you. So how can I become a millionaire in 2 years? I'm asking the ChatGPT this random question. Let's say whatever it does. But yeah, that's how you can actually use ChatGPT on your WhatsApp without having to leave the WhatsApp platform. Yeah. Okay. I believe this video has been helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.